Hello there. If you're a Formula One fan, you may already know that Formula One cars have a lot of sensors inside them that are able to record data. This data is gathered and sent to the engineers in the box so they can analyze if the car has achieved a good performance during a race or during a testing session. In BSC, we provide two tools in the HPC platform of the Human Brain Project that achieve something very similar, in this case for HPC applications. The first one is Extract, that is some sort of insertion of sensors in this HPC application. And the second one is Parallel, that allows the developer to see if the application has performed correctly when it has been executed in the infrastructure. For more information, you can check both the tool websites or the HPC guidebook, and thanks for watching.